So hello friends, today I am Shaunak Kanbelkar. You are most welcome in this channel hashtag Math is Fun. So today I am going to deal with a very interesting topic. It's interesting but sounds very weird and is a fact, that is trigonometry. So basically we will learn today the 6 major trigonometric ratios and the three basic identities of trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? When we break down this word into trigonometry, which deals with a right angle triangle. So when we break trigonometry, it gets divided into trigonon and metrion. So trigonon is nothing but a three-sided figure we learnt in our third or fourth standard, that is triangle. So we got that trigonon means triangle. So metrion, what is metrion? It is nothing but measure. So I will define trigonometry. It's not of any use, but it's only for your knowledge. Trigonometry is nothing but a branch of mathematics that deals with the lines and the angles of a triangle. So note that in trigonometry only and only right angle triangles are allowed. No other triangle is allowed. So today we will learn trigonometry. So let's go. So I have taken a right angle triangle. See, you can see it is a 90 degree. So I have taken triangle ABC. My drawing is very poor. Sorry for that, but please understand. ABC. I have taken this as a right angle triangle. Now we will name these sides. So we know that in a right angle triangle, this longest side is hypotenuse. So I have named it HYP. Now BC here is a base. So I named it as B. And AB is a perpendicular as it forms an angle of 90 degrees, so I have named it as P. Now you must have heard the weird names like sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cosec theta. They are not only there for name, but actually it's very easy. So we will take this angle, or we can take this angle as theta. What is theta? Oh, everyone is scared of this small word theta. Is theta. It's nothing but it's a Greek letter, that is theta. So we will start. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. So we will write that. First is sin theta. Second is cos theta. Third is tan theta. Fourth is cosec theta. Sec theta, and then last is cot theta. So this is sin theta, this is cosine theta, this is tangent theta, this is cosecant theta, this is secant theta, and this is cotangent theta. So basically we have to learn only first 3. Cosec, sec and cot are very easy too. So now I will tell that cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So we will write here that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. You got it? It is a reciprocal of sin theta. So it's done. Now what is cos and sec? So similarly here cos theta, that is cosine theta, is nothing but the reciprocal of, we have to take here secant theta, because secant is a reciprocal of cos. So I will write secant theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta. So this is done. And what is tan and cot relation between? So cot theta, that is cotangent theta, is nothing but the reciprocal of tangent theta, that is tan theta. So it's very easy to remember. Now we will see what is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Very weird, but we'll learn about it. So sin theta, we write it as AB upon AC. So we will come to this triangle AB upon AC. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is sin theta. We get it as sin theta. So it's nothing but the ratio of 2 sides of a triangle. So we will see the next, that is cos theta. Now cos theta is written as BC upon AC. So this is BC and it is nothing, we have named it as base. So BC and AC. So it will be written as base upon hypotenuse. So this is cos theta we get, that is base upon hypotenuse. Now we will see what is tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but AB upon BC. So now see here, AB is perpendicular, BC is base, so we will write it as P upon B. So perpendicular upon base, or AB upon BC is tan theta. Now with this we will find out the next three. So we know that cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So we will write here AC upon AB, because in sin theta it was AB upon AC. So cosec theta will be AC upon AB, that is reciprocal. So now what is secant theta? We know that secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So we will write it as AC upon BC. So it is written here BC upon AC, but this is now AC upon BC because it is the reciprocal of cos theta. So now we will see what is cot theta. So it is reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta is AB upon BC. So cot theta will be BC upon AB. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios of the two sides of a triangle. So now we will learn about the graph. Now when we draw a graph, see I am drawing here a graph. So I have drawn a graph. So this is the origin or O, and this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. So we know that this is the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So we have to see. So till recap what we have done till now. So we will start off. When we draw a graph, when the angle measure of theta is in the first quadrant, that is, see you can see 0 to 90, then all the ratios are positive. That means this sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta are all positive in this first quadrant. Now in second quadrant, only and only sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Rest all are negative. So sin theta and cosec theta, that is, see cosec is reciprocal of sin, and so sin theta and cosec theta are only and only positive in second quadrant, and remaining, that is cos, tan, sec, and cot theta are negative in this second quadrant. So in third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive, rest all are negative. So see, you can see that cot is a reciprocal of tan, so remaining, that is sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta are all negative here, and only tan theta and cot theta are positive in third quadrant. So now we will see the fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, we see that here only and only cos theta and reciprocal of cos theta, that is sec theta, are positive, rest all are negative, that is sin theta, tan theta, cosec theta, and cot theta are all negative in fourth quadrant. So we have to remember this graph. So we have done till this, and now we will see with some identities, 3 basic identities. So we know that this is a right angle triangle. So we know that by Pythagoras theorem, we will have to do 3 cases. So first case, we have to write that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so this is by AC square and hypotenuse square is equal to AB square perpendicular square plus BC square base square. So we have done this.